fish? I have a special recipe for you today you've never heard of if you live north of the equator. Stay tuned to hear more. Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make moqueca, a Brazilian stew usually made with variety of seafoods, but today I'm just using fish. It's sweet, citric, and has a little bit kick to it. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell your family and friends about my channel. Let's start preparing the ingredients. I'm using a pound of salmon for 6 servings, which is cut in 1 to 2 inch cubes. You can use any kind of fish that you like or combination of seafoods. I'm dicing some sweet peppers in different colors and half a green bell pepper. Instead of sweet peppers, you can use different colored bell peppers. It's up to you how many peppers you want to add, but I love to have lots of veggies and you can use them to stretch out the stew. Also, being colorful helps to have a better presentation. Now I'm chopping a medium-sized jalapeno. If you want your stew to be more spicy, you can add more than 1 jalapeno. Next, chop 1 bunch of green onions. Dice half an onion. Then dice 1 large tomato. I love tomatoes, but if you don't have one, you can skip it. Squeeze 2 limes. Finely chop 1/3 bunch of cilantro. Traditionally, this stew is made with Dende oil or red palm oil, but if you do not have it, you can use any kind of cooking oil. Today, I'm using coconut oil. To cook all these ingredients, first start with sauteing the onions for 3 to 4 minutes on medium heat with around 1 tablespoon cooking oil. I'm not going to caramelize the onions because the base of this stew is coconut milk and I do not want to sweeten it too much. Next, add a teaspoon of tomato paste. It's optional, but it will enhance the color of your stew. Add 4 cloves of garlic. I love garlic, but if you prefer less garlic, you can pare it down a bit. It's time for spices. 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, and 1 to 2 shakes of cayenne pepper. Stir it all together to wake up the spices. It's up to you how spicy you want it to be, so you can add more cayenne if you like. Adding tomatoes. After 3 to 4 minutes, pour in the coconut milk. Now add salt to taste. The mixture is bubbling. Give it a stir and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. You want your coconut milk to absorb the flavors. I'm tossing in the sweet peppers and jalapeno, then stir it. Once you see the bubbles, add the fish. Make sure to coat the pieces of fish with the sauce. After 3 minutes, add the green onions. Let it cook for another 2 minutes. Once you see the pieces of fish flaking apart, it means your stew is ready. Toss in the cilantro and then the lime juice. When stirring, don't be rough with it because you don't want to break the fish into a bunch of little pieces. Look how beautiful it is. It's not only delicious, but also very healthy with all those veggies you added. It's a perfect meal for family gatherings, and if you live on a budget, you can add more vegetables to stretch it out. I hope you will enjoy it. Bon appetit!